Hello everyone, welcome back to Doctor Expert. Today I'll show you how to import from the etab file to CSI Column and what is the problem when you import and how to check it. Now you see here it's a small project 5 floor, has a swimming pool, and it is a model in etab. You can check here. I want to show only extrude frame. Check for column because our purpose want to export column to CSI column. You see, we have a width of the building and length of the building. Along the length of the building, we have the column 30 multiplied with 40 diameter, 14 diameter, and along side of column is along with the length direction, and the short side is along with the width direction. I will view in the plan view. You see here in the plan view, it is width of our building and it is length of our building. So the long side of column, the section column, is along with the length of the length of building, and the short side of the section is along with the width of the building. And you notice this section. Okay. Now I close etab and open CSI Column version 10.0, and I check her has run some error during import from the etab file. Now click on the etab. For the other design option, you could check in my previous tutorial for the Wizard Quick Design Guide. And for this tutorial, I will import directly from etab and show what is the error during import and how to check and correct it. So now click on the import etab. This is the file I just reviewed in the etab file, so now I have to import it directly. Open, load etab. So you have to wait a little bit for the processing integrate data from the etab into CSI Column. Now etab loads. Please wait. If your project do not run, I suggest you run and design your project first before you import to the CSI Column. So you see here, everything is fine. I complete analysis and designs. So for the load combination will be automatically load, and which one of the combination you want to import into CSI Column. Now I want to import all, select all and click OK. Data is seen from the etab to CSI Column and wait. You see here, import grid, story, join. we have 4,740 joints extracted, nearly almost complete. For the grid and story, it complete, but now waiting for join is running and importing. Okay, next step, extract a frame. So if you have a big project in a tab, we had spent more time to waiting the importing processing. Now import cell, but actually in CSI Column we have to design only on the column. For the full integrated 3D model from etabs to CSI Column, it will display full 3D view in the CSI Column report in the first page. Okay, now complete, and let's check. You see the full 3D view import from a tab in CSI Column. Later check this model is right or not. You remember from the previous 3D model in a tab, for the section of column, the long side is parallel with this length and the short side is parallel with this width. But now everything is not the same with the file in a tab. You see the column is not the same. The column, I don't know why it rotate automatically 90 degrees from the original file. You can check here. In our structure, we have the critical in the short direction because it's taller and has a smaller width and two columns to support the frame. So our section is not like this one in CSI Column. In our section is a tab. Which I will open it again and to compare with this section. You see here. So I now to import. Oh, because I open a tab like that. So close it first. I open import. Oh, you have to select one column. Now I have to select one column. Okay, let's select the column. You can select multiple column and click Control and right click, Control right click, Control right click. But in this case I have to import one column I will just want to show you what is different in the original file in the tab and what is different when we import from the tab and what is error. You should to check. It's a very important part. If your column is the square section, it's not square, but in the case it's a rectangular section. It's very serious case for our frame like this one. It has a the critical section bending along the width along the short direction. You can check here in the tab file. Leave it in the tab file. You see here, I review in the plan view, and you see what's wrong with the model in this file. We have a rectangular section 30 multiplied with 40 40 meter. So here the short width, and here the length of a section. But in CSI column, import and automatic revise this orientation. So let's import. You see here C11 story 1, the critical load combination, and the rebar 12 D20, the rebar ratio, and DC capacity ratio of our column 0.76. You see only 0.76. But if you check in the etab, okay, I have to view in 3D frame again, and I will show you what the percentage, how many the percentage in this column in the tab. We use the same column here, the column in the CSI column. So let's show the design capacity ratio, display info. Now I display the column P interaction ratio, apply. You see here in the tab column is work over 90%, okay, 90%, but in the CSI column work only 0.76 is 76%. It's not the same, because in the CSI column import from the CSI tab, but it's orient the direction of the cross section. You see here, actually our section is not like this one. But in the CSI column, I don't know why it import automatically like this one. Okay, you can check what's wrong with this. I have to view in frame and 3D. You see here, you see here, yeah, it's wrong when import from a tab. It is very important, so you have to check first the direction and what is her design ratio from a tab to compare with CSI column. So you see what's wrong now. The CSI column import and oriented your section directly. I don't know why it rather like this one. It is really condition when your section is not square. In my case, the column is rectangular, so it can be affect on our result. Let's check. This is very important. You can see the design capacity and in report, detail report. Okay, you see for the full 3D view will be displayed in the first page in the tab I told you previously, but I don't know why it's import the direction of the column not correct like in the etab file. So you can check it. Okay, you can check it. It is very important. Then the ratio only 76%. It's too much different from the etab view and from my Excel view. I also check the structure with my Excel calculation, so the result is very similar with the etab because it has a bigger moment bending about the axis, but when compare with your result in a tab or with your Excel, it is very important before you use software. And in a CSI column, you can import directly, but not consider sphere or non-sphere. You have to input this manually. Okay, consider sphere or not, you have to check this manually. But for the slenderness, it automatically consider for slenderness for the long column. You can check for the long column slenderness include. But in our frame we has two conditions, as I explained you from the previous video. We can design it as flat frame or unflat frame, or an ACI sphere or non-sphere frame. You have to activate it in a low combination 1, 2, simple 3, 4, etc. You have to check this. I check only for the critical combination, and you check the result again. Okay, for the critical low combination here. Now you have to check result again. What is different? No, the result is not changed. So you have to check it clearly before you decide it's kind of accept or not. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.